What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video, man. Good morning. It's Sunday morning. The weather's great where I live in Seattle, Washington. And, man, we're going to have a great Sunday. So let's get straight into the video. Make sure you guys hit that sub button, attack that like button. Uh, any comments or, videos you guys want me to make in the future, just go ahead and drop that in the comments. Make sure you stay through this whole video. Got some tips for you, some encouraging words for you guys today, and just make sure you hear it all. So this is what my dashboard looks like. I've been super busy lately. I've been wanting to knock out some new designs, but one thing I want to stretch to you guys is if you do not have time to make a new design on the day, please make sure you still submit these 10 products. We don't want to miss any days at all. We do not know when if Amazon is gonna change how many products we can upload, and shit, how many days is it really gonna take to fill up this 32, this 32,000? So we don't want to miss any days, okay? So understand that if you're busy like me, how you are some days, might have to go work, or you run another business, just make sure you add 10 products. You can do that shit on your phone, okay? I don't know if you ever, did it on your iPhone or your Android or whatever, but you can add products on your phone. I do it all the time. If I can't get home and get to my laptop, just make sure you guys are filling up your products submitted today. Okay, so let's get straight into what my account's looking like for this month. All right, so this is what this week is looking like. My account's starting to get a little bit more consistent when it comes to my, daily sales. I mean, I guess I average around 2 or 3 sales a day. So that's what that's looking like. But let's get into the analytics as far as this month. Right now, I'm tied with last month when it comes to sales. And I'm not gonna lie, like this month was, kind of discouraging for me. And this will happen, with everybody, excuse me. We have those people that have those accounts that are in tier 100,000 or tier 20,000, and they're fucking killing it. And you log on and you look on Facebook in the groups, and they're making 10K a month, and I'm making $100. So that's gonna happen. We're gonna have discouraging days. But one thing about merch is, it's a marathon. It's not a sprint. So this is a long game. This is an end game, and I have to recognize that. I haven't been doing this for over a year, so there's people that been in it since it first started, had that crazy advantage, but I just gotta stick to my guns and make sure I'm being consistent, and it'll happen. It's not gonna happen overnight, but this is what I'm talking about. I just feel like I should have a spike right now, but I've been still waiting on tier 1,000, and then I just got the new dashboard, so I've been making sure I upload my 10 every day, but so the last 3 months have been just the same, literally the same. So 55, 56, and I'll probably pull 57. So like, only, it's only gonna change maybe one shirt, so I've been looking for those big spikes. But maybe when I get my tier 1,000, I'll get that super spike of motivation, which I want, and what I need. But yeah, so let's check out the analytics for this month. But I just wanted to show you guys that that everything is kind of been around the same with me. Um, and then, like, this was the kind of first spike I got in my account. Well, besides Christmas, because, Christmas is just it's a whole nother story. Um, I finally got like a really great design, and it was killing it. It's on the first page of a really, really popular niche. Um, Past 10,000, 20,000 results. Then here comes four copycats. um, so it's the shit that happens in merch, and I'm starting to realize that I can't pay attention to those things anymore. I just got to keep creating and keep creating and keep creating. Um, when I start looking at copycats, I start getting discouraged. I don't upload as much, so I don't even look for that shit anymore. I just keep it going. Because eventually it's gonna, my new creation gonna outweigh, you know, whoever's trying to whoever's trying to copy a real one. You know what I'm talking about? I go to Redbubble, I really see all of my designs. I be like, damn, I don't even got enough time to report all these motherfuckers. Um, don't be a thief, man. Create your own shit. Buy some shit. Don't be that person that's been fucking up merch. Um, don't do that. Don't be that person. But let's look at this month. So my best day was 7 sales, and I have 3 days that I haven't had any sales, which is cool. I feel like it's starting to kick off a little bit. People are excited. This is the first summer that people are starting to feel confident about not getting sick, and you know, which is bullshit. But we're gonna have people out. Hopefully, there's pride and how we used to have all the festivals and all the other stuff. So, um, yeah, so more people are going to be outside. More people are going out of town. So hopefully, we keep ramping up leading to Q4. So 56 sales, had two returns. I made 107. My royalty is low this month because I literally have only about four shirts that are under 17.99, and those are only ones that wanted to sell this month. So that's why that is. Um, let's see. My best day, I made $11. Let's go. So I sold 50 standard. This is my bread and butter. All of my designs are on the standards. I don't, you know, I typically don't add new products unless they sold, but now because of the new dashboard, I will be doing that. Um, 5 Apple cases, only one hoodie. Hoodies aren't selling as much anymore because it's starting to get hot, so I'm definitely going to pivot to some tank tops. Fit types, mostly men, 36% women. Top colors has always been black and navy for me. I always select these two because these are the ones that always sell for me. But always black. Um, let's see. So yeah, this is a shirt that just kills it for me. And because that this is one of the shirts that Amazon chose to put in all the marketplaces. For some reason, I can't edit the price on it. So even if I tried, this is still gonna stay at this price, which is fine with me because anytime I press up the price, it stops selling because so many people are trying to make similar designs and charge less than me. So I just keep it like that. This is one I put up new and then it sold 7 times, and I talked about that in another one of my videos. But the thing about my account is when I hear the cha-ching, I never know what's sold. Before I kind of like, oh, I already know what's selling. Oh, I got another sell for that shirt, but it's literally a little bit of everything. And then this is the shirt that really pisses me off because This is the shirt that used to sell probably about 30 to 35 times a month for me, and somebody started ripping me off, and look, it only sold 2 times this month, coming down from 35 uh, like a couple months ago. Then that next month after that, it went down to like 15. Now it's at 2. So you just gotta keep creating. Do not ever get stagnant on your account. Don't ever keep the tier 10 mentality. I have to get a sale. If it's not working, switch it out. If you keep doing that, you'll kill it. So just a little bit of everything is selling, literally. These are all shirts that I still had at 1307 that I didn't change. Um, yeah, these. So I got some new shirts that are, ranking going into next month. So it's cool. Um, let's go back. So yeah, man. God damn, I done bird shit out now. Whatever. But yeah, that's all I got for this video. I just want to say, stay encouraged. Stay on YouTube, man. Search up, everybody that got YouTube for merch by Amazon, and stay inspired. Stay getting a new perspective. Keep learning. Don't think that no matter what level somebody's on, you can learn from them. So, just stay doing research. Keep expanding your mind. Keep believing in yourself, and um, it's a marathon. It's not a sprint, though. So. We're running this long game. Hopefully, we can get to those people, that are making 10K a month. Um, and what a blessing that would be. So, um, yeah, you guys have a blessed day. Make sure you guys fill up your upload slots every day. No days off, no 0 days. And, man, till next time. Do you need help finding profitable niches? You need help designing, finding vectors and things to go in your shirts, fonts? Well, if you do, come on over to my Gumroad store. Um, I have a niche research list of thousands and thousands of different occupations you've never heard of, hobbies, passions, animals, things that'll help you tremendously. And that's only $5. I also have these 2 font packs right here. Every month I'll have a new font pack. And then right here is a vector pack. It's up for $19.99. And because I love you guys so much and you made it to the end of this video, I'm going to give it to you for $5. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to set the code right here. And here's the discount code right here, MyMerch420. Right before checkout, it's going to ask you for a discount code. And you just type that in and you can get it for $5, okay? So, I love y'all and be back for the next video. Make sure y'all hit that sub button.